Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, BMW R12 nineT. BMW Motorrad has officially launched the 2025 R12 nineT, a sport motorcycle that seamlessly merges classic design with modern technology and performance. Building on the success of its predecessor, the R9T, the new R12 nineT brings a refined package that is set to redefine the standards in the heritage sport motorcycle segment. At the heart of the 2025 BMW R12 nineT is a newly engineered 1,200 cubic centimeters air/oil-cooled flat twin boxer engine, producing 110 horsepower and 85 lb-ft of torque. This power plant offers a smooth and responsive power delivery, making it ideal for both spirited rides and relaxed cruising. The 6-speed gearbox, paired with a slipper clutch, ensures precise and effortless gear shifts, enhancing the overall riding experience. The 2025 R12 nineT embodies BMW's dedication to blending tradition with innovation, said Markus Schramm, head of BMW Motorrad. "We've created a motorcycle that honors our heritage while incorporating advanced technology to meet the demands of modern riders." Visually, the R12 nineT retains the timeless design elements that have made the R9T series iconic. The motorcycle features a classic round headlamp, a sculpted fuel tank, and a minimalist rear section, all contributing to its vintage appeal. The use of premium materials, such as brushed aluminum and leather, adds to its sophisticated look. The bike is available in several color schemes, including a striking combination of black and chrome that accentuates its retro charm. Rider comfort and ergonomics have been carefully considered in the design of the R12 nineT. The motorcycle offers a relaxed riding position with a well-padded seat and adjustable handlebars, ensuring comfort on long journeys. The advanced suspension system, featuring fully adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock, provides a smooth and controlled ride, regardless of the terrain. The 2025 R12 nineT is equipped with a range of modern technologies to enhance the riding experience. A high-resolution TFT display offers clear and comprehensive information, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and navigation prompts. The bike also features multiple riding modes, traction control, and ABS, allowing riders to customize the bike's performance to their specific needs and conditions. Industry experts and motorcycle enthusiasts have praised the R12 nineT for its perfect blend of heritage design and modern performance. The 2025 BMW R12 nineT sets a new benchmark in the heritage sport motorcycle category, commented motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. Its powerful engine, advanced features, and classic design make it a standout choice for riders seeking a motorcycle that combines the best of both worlds. With its combination of timeless aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance, the 2025 BMW R12 nineT is poised to make a significant impact in the sport motorcycle market. Enthusiasts eagerly await its arrival at dealerships, ready to experience the harmonious blend of tradition and innovation that the R12 nineT offers. This model reaffirms BMW Motorrad's position as a leader in the motorcycle industry, continuing its legacy of excellence and craftsmanship.